head. Come on. There's 4 on a grapple. Actually, this probably isn't that heavy if you think about it. Like, what are they, 1,000 pounds each?
What's his name? Ken has a hitch binder.
Oh, not even bouncing. 299 can do what 308 can't.
You want long ways or sideways?
Chop, karate chop. No, we're good. We'll keep our profits. I feel like we should try to pick up the 259 now with this. Southern Turf Tanker Service at your disposal. Just weld it right there. Oh my God.
That went pretty well. That went pretty well.
For the 3 miles we're driving, no? Yeah, he's like, we do have a knuckle boom over there. You're good, Greg? You're good? Yeah, I mean. Uh-oh. You only got 1 ramp, Fred. Sorry. You can load the lift with only 1 ramp, right? It looks like it's chained down, so that's all that matters.
Looks like it's chained.
Yeah, just toss me that one. There you go, the binder right there. Try to put a binder on one-handed.
Off top, fucking binder down.
You bind them from the ground. You ever seen a chain on top of a shipping container?
Huh?
You ever seen a chain on top of a shipping container?
Yeah.
That's what these are for, literally, to lock them down. That's not going anywhere. You gotta lock it in place with those words. If you don't say it, it ain't gonna count. That's a little, oh, whatever. I'm not driving. Oh boy. Travis got the baby trailer. Swing it in. Don't hit the fence. Oh.
No. Nope, me too.
Ta-da! My office is not done at all though. So there's my office and there's still no shelf. So we're just gonna put my shit right here. Oh. Go team. There's a new conference room. They painted the wall. What else do I got in here? I think I'm taking my computers home today. I'll bring my thingy, my random holder. Oh, my mouse pad and my baby turtle shell that I found in the woods. Painted that wall. Huh? You painted that wall. Don't like green no more?
Not like that, bro.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, you undid it?
I didn't.
Who the fuck undid
It's
it?
been undone since they started it.
No, bro. I like adjusted it and shit.
You almost just broke the door.
So, I mean,
Just put a...
I'm not saying I'm opening up southern tile. But I'm definitely opening up southern peeling sticks.
Dude, it looks almost good.
Wait till you see kids.
Oh my God, did you do all the way out there?
No.
On top of the carpet?
No.
Oh. It's like, Travis, you have to pull the carpet up. You can't stick it on top of the carpet. Oh shit, look at that.
I know. What's white boy status? Coming up a little bit?
We should definitely put a bookcase on top of these tiles.
Yeah.
It better not. I love this desk, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if you can see that, but pretty sure that's an Apache flying real low over New Smyrna Beach. There it is again. My great filming skills while driving. I don't know what the fuck's about to happen. I'm excited. Just put it in rabbit mode. Just yank. It should be in it, right? I believed you, I just wanted to check.
I didn't know if you were the guy that parked here or not.
No, I don't take keys out of my truck. Geico's got my back. If someone needs it more than me, have at it. I assume that's your Ford out there. That looks good. I thought Travis bought me a work truck finally.
Yeah.
Not really, yeah. Oh, they're just gonna pick it up.
No, we can't pick it up sideways.
All good in the hood. I know, we're gonna scratch it. Sometimes you just need more throttle.
I don't know what he's saying. No one's talking to you yet.
That's okay. What if... Hold on, hold on. Well, what does he want to do? Go backwards?
I don't know yet.
What do you want him to do?
Back up.
Back up. You're free now. Oh no, not a 201.
Hey, back up, back up.
Here, let's hook it and just drag it this way. You want to wrap it to that? Now let's empty it and then crush it. Finish the demo. Hold on, he's unhooking. Hold on. I mean, what is this, the last trip of the day?
Yeah.
I mean, still not good in my book. See, it works. Oh my God, look at all that silt fence. What the fuck? We're protecting silt fence.
Where do you want this at?
All right, well.